Inspired by the 2014's NYC-themed Cement City edition, the Nike Air Trainer Huarache Wolf Grey Star Blue has a gray upper with suede overlays, tumbled leather on the toe, and a nubuck strip on the midfoot. The distinctive round tongue tag and midfoot strap add even more gray. The neoprene bootie, laces, and branding are all covered in black, as is the remainder of the top. Lower down, the black-covered midsole sits on top of a whole translucent star blue rubber outsole that resembles the Volt color of the Cement City pair. This pair is completed with a modest pop of color thanks to the classic Nike Air insignia stitched on the rear heels, which adds another splash of star blue. In the autumn of 2025, the Nike Air Trainer Huarache Wolf Grey Star Blue will be available online and in-store at Nike and a few other shops. It retails for $160 and comes in men's sizes.